Hi everybody, this is Dave King, and today we're going to talk about a strategy that's incredibly important not only for us in the mortgage business but also for our referral partners, the realtors out there. You know, there's some pretty amazing statistics that we just got from the latest homebuyer survey from the National Association of Realtors, and that is that 88% of homebuyers and home sellers were actually so happy with their realtor that they would use them again. However, when they went to sell, only 25% of them actually used their same realtor again, and even worse, when they bought, only 12% of them actually used their agent again. So there's a huge gap there, and clearly the gap is because the agents are not staying in touch with their customers. I mean, in our business and in their business, the most important asset we really have, other than our own brains, are our past customers, and staying in touch with them is incredibly valuable. And it is for us as well too, which is why I've been a big fan of the Media Center for a long time. I'm a huge fan of the postcard system, even though I know almost all of those postcards get looked at for about 2 seconds and thrown in file 13. We understand that, but we're buying brain cells. We're keeping at the forefront of our customers' minds so that when the subject does come up, they will refer us. So incredibly important to do that and have a marketing program that you're heavily invested in because the returns are tremendous. And next, we're going to talk about how to leverage those returns and make them even better. Thanks for watching.